Imagine creating an app without a full development team. Lovable.dev promises just that. It's an AI-powered full-stack app builder transforming ideas into working applications with ease. Lovable.dev allows you to describe your app concept in simple terms. The platform generates everything from front-end UI to back-end logic and database structures. One significant advantage is speed. Traditional development can take weeks, but Lovable produces prototypes in minutes. This helps users quickly launch MVPs, landing pages, and SaaS demos. Lovable enables seamless app creation through a few key features. 1. Prompt-to-app generation. Describe your needs in plain English, and the AI crafts a working app structure. 2. GitHub integration. Users retain ownership and manage their generated codebase, reducing vendor lock-in. 3. Supabase integration. Enhances support for backend functionality, including database management and real-time features. 4. One-click deployment. Easily deploy applications without complex workflows. 5. Visual editing. Users can modify designs and functionalities without diving deep into code. The user experience is straightforward and intuitive. The AI chat interface makes creating apps feel collaborative, catering to both novice users and experienced developers. Pricing is flexible, offering a free tier and various paid plans based on usage needs. However, keep in mind that complex projects can quickly consume credits. While Lovable.dev shines in rapid prototyping and ease of use, it has limitations. Complex apps may become unstable, and the platform isn't designed for enterprise-grade projects. So, who should use Lovable.dev? It's ideal for startup founders, freelancers, and non-technical entrepreneurs who need to validate ideas quickly without extensive coding knowledge. In summary, Lovable.dev is a groundbreaking tool for modern creators. Its capabilities lower barriers to app development, promoting speed over perfection. If you've been eager to turn your ideas into applications, Lovable.dev might be the perfect solution. Ready to bring your app idea to life? Visit Lovable.dev and start your journey today.